the blacksmith's twist. This task will be performed in a coke forge in the back of the classroom. As seen here, it's a charcoal product that has air blown through it from below with an air compressor line. This is similar to how they did it back in the day with the bellows, just without the hard work of pumping the bellows to heat the coke up. Seen here, I've preheated the shaft, ready to be squared off prior to the twist. I hammer each side until it is nice and flat and a uniform finish. As the metal cools, it's harder to flatten off, but it's also minimises the hammer marks that you get when hitting the surface slightly incorrectly and bruising it and giving divots and high points. So as seen here, the metal looks like it's cooled off quite a lot, but this is good as it helps finish it off in a nice smooth manner, giving me the nice crisp lines that I'll be looking for on the edges of the square. The metal then goes back into the forge to be heated up again to perform the twist. As seen here, I've clamped one end in the vise, and on the other end I'll be using a shifter to actually do the twist. You can calculate how many twists you want, but I've just done mine so it's visually appealing. As seen here, I've decided that the last twist is a bit tight, so I've gone back probably about a quarter of a turn. This is then wire brushed off with a hand wire brush to remove the scale. And this is the finished twist. I then wire brushed it all clean once finished the hook to give it a nice clean smooth finish that's visually appealing and doesn't dirty your hands. Thanks for watching, Mr. Bastick.